In an era where climate change and environmental degradation pose significant threats to our planet, the technology industry is uniquely positioned to drive change. Sustainable technology, or sustainable tech, refers to the design, manufacture, and use of devices, systems, and services in a way that reduces their environmental impact. This movement towards sustainability is not just a trend, but a crucial shift in how tech companies operate, innovate, and contribute to a healthier planet. Sustainable tech encompasses a broad range of practices and innovations aimed at minimizing the tech industry's environmental footprint. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, the demand for sustainable technologies continues to grow, further incentivizing companies to invest in green innovations. Innovation lies at the heart of the tech industry, and it's this spirit of innovation that's driving the push towards sustainability. Green innovation involves developing new technologies and processes that can reduce energy consumption, lower carbon emissions, and mitigate the adverse effects of technology on the environment. One of the most significant areas of focus is improving energy efficiency in computing devices and data centers. These efforts not only help in reducing the carbon footprint of digital operations, but also result in significant cost savings over time, proving that environmental responsibility can go hand in hand with economic benefits. Another critical area is sustainable manufacturing practices and the use of eco-friendly materials. This includes reducing waste and emissions during production, designing products for longevity and recyclability, and sourcing materials responsibly. Sustainable tech initiatives are tackling this problem through better recycling programs, the promotion of repair and refurbishment, and the design of products that are easier to recycle at the end of their life cycle. Despite the progress, there are significant technological and economic barriers to achieving full sustainability in the tech industry. Innovating new green technologies can be costly, and there's often a gap between developing sustainable solutions and their widespread adoption due to higher costs or technical limitations. Overcoming these barriers requires not only advancements in technology, but also changes in market structures and consumer behavior to support and prioritize sustainable products and services. With sustained investment, the tech industry can continue to lead the way in developing innovative solutions that not only protect the environment, but also offer new business opportunities and drive economic growth. By innovating green solutions, adopting sustainable practices, and working together towards common goals, the tech industry can significantly reduce its environmental footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. As we move forward, it's clear that sustainable tech will play a crucial role in shaping a greener, more responsible tech industry.